Hey everybody, week 3, the King's Ambassadors. So glad to have you being a part of this series and really looking forward to the practical pieces of it. And that's what we're getting to this week, that now each week in your booklet it's going to have a steps to becoming an ambassador, a really practical thing. What can everybody in your group, yourself and your group members, be doing to be walking this stuff out? And so this week after the video, we're going to work on writing our story. It's one of the discussion questions that we're going to take some time in discussion to stop talking and instead to write out a little bit of our story. We're going to answer 3 questions. Before Christ I was. We're going to write 2-3 words there. What would describe you before you knew Christ? When I said yes to Jesus, I felt, what was the emotion? Was it peace? Was it hope? Was it expectation? New life? And then after Christ I have become, what's the new part of the story? So you might have been angry before Christ, and then when I found Christ I felt forgiven, and then since I've met Christ I've started to feel hopeful. And then we're going to turn that into a few sentences so that we can be able to share a 60-second, this is the change that Jesus has made in my life. You're going to get to walk through that a little bit in your group, but I'd encourage you, try that out for yourself before you get to group, just so you have a little bit of a feel. What does it look like to write out your story so that we can, as group members, be able to share our story of faith in 60 seconds or less? We're going to practice it in group, and we're going to encourage everybody, practice it out in your real life. Talk to a friend or family member and share your story there as well. Y'all have a great week.